হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল আলি লার্ন উইথ ডিডি। আর বন্ধুরা, আজকে তোমাদেরকে আমি পড়ে শোনাবো কৃষ্ণা। তাহলে চলো স্টার্ট করছি। তাহলে আজকে নতুন একটা স্টোরি পড়বো, সেটা হচ্ছে কৃষ্ণা। Long ago, Princess Devaki and her brother Prince Kangsha lived in Mathura. Devaki was kind while Kangsha was cruel. Soon Devaki was married to a nobleman, Vasudeva. One day, while Kangsha was taking Devaki and Vasudeva to the place, a divine voice said, Kangsha will be killed by Devaki's 8th son. Kangsha became extremely angry. He then tried to kill Devaki, but Vasudeva pleaded with him to spare her. Vasudeva promised to give Devaki's children to Kangsha soon after their birth. Soon a divine voice told Vasudeva to take the child to Nanda, the village chieftain of Gokul, and bring back the baby girl born to Nanda's wife Yashoda. Suddenly the guards fell asleep and the doors of the jail opened. On his way to Gokul, Vasudeva had to cross the Jamuna. Miraculously, the river made way for Vasudeva to cross it easily and reach Gokul. Vasudeva placed the child next to Yashoda and brought the baby girl with him to Mathura. The sleeping guard woke up on hearing the baby cry. They informed Kangsha, who then tried to kill the baby. However, the baby turned into a goddess and disappeared. In Gokul, Nanda and Yashoda brought up Krishna with love. Soon Kangsha heard about Krishna's bravery and planned to kill him. He invited Krishna to Mathura for a wrestling match. He pitted his mighty wrestler, Chanura, against Krishna. Chanura tried to squeeze Krishna with his huge arm, but Krishna threw him on the ground. Then Krishna took his sword and killed Kangsha. He then freed his parents from prison and took their blessing. তো বন্ধুরা, আজকে এতটুকুই থাকলো। আজকে শুধু তোমাদের কৃষ্ণা স্টোরিটা পড়ে শোনালাম, যেটা খুব স্মলভাবে এবং খুব ছোট করে তোমাদের জন্য লেখা আছে। তো বন্ধুরা, কেমন লাগলো গল্পটা প্লিজ লাইক করবে, বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করবে, আর যারা এখনো সাবস্ক্রাইব করেনি প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবে। টাটা, বাই বাই আজকের মতো।